Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Tamiro.
And I'm Tamanta.
And together we are Tamanta. A couple of months ago, we just entered a food competition.
And my submission was on how to make Fruit Filo Cups, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that today.
And let's get started.
For this recipe, you will need 2 phyllo pastry sheets and 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil for brushing, 100 grams of ricotta cheese, 20 grams of honey, and 100 grams of fresh berries. For the fruit conserve, you will need 100 grams of raspberry and strawberry fruit puree and 30 ml of water. To make the fruit conserve, in a saucepan, combine the water and berries and cook together on low heat until the mixture reaches a thicker consistency and darkens in color. In a mixing bowl, soften up the ricotta cheese and then mix in the honey, preferably with a hand mixer on low speed. Brush your phyllo pastry sheet with vegetable oil and place the second sheet on top. Using your kitchen scissors, cut your phyllo pastry sheets into 4 by 6 cm rectangular shaped pieces and place them into your mini muffin tin. I will now bake my phyllo cups in my preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Our phyllo cups are ready. Once cooled, time to fill. Layer the phyllo cups with alternate layers of berry conserve and ricotta honey mixture. Lastly, decorate and garnish with fresh berries. Thank you so much for watching. This is Atlanta signing off. Bye bye.